Today's video tutorial, I want to show you how you can go about pairing up two wireless Bluetooth earphones of different brands to your S24 Ultra using the dual audio mode, which I'll show you this step by step on how this works. This also works for the S23 and the S22 Ultra phones and any other Samsung flagship tier phones. Let's get started. So you want to go ahead and pair up the Bluetooth devices as if you would always pair them up. So you can start with any one of them here. I'll start with this one here. Whatever earphones you have, you want to go ahead and get them into the pairing mode state, then connect them. And in order to connect them, if you're new to all this, you'll use the quick panel access, pull it down twice. You'll see the Bluetooth toggle here, long press it. You can turn it on from here or go into details and turn it on from there. So go ahead now and pair up your very first earphones. You'll look for the name of it. You'll tap on it. It's gonna say pairing. You'll get the request as always, and it will connect for you. So now you wanna go ahead and pair up your second device. Leave these connected. You can't connect the second one. So this is the Redmi earbuds here. And these will go into a pairing mode state while they're in the case. So I'll just leave them right here on the side so that they can stay open and go back and scan on your phone here. So this is just a step-by-step. You can skip this part here if you know how to connect them by yourself. All right, so I'll just go ahead with connect here. And we'll just wait for that to show up like that. Okay, so once you're done, press done, and you'll see that they are connected right here like that, okay? And once they're set, once you got them like this here, both of them saying that they are connected, then that means that your phone has the dual audio mode. The next step is you want to make sure you enable the media output feature here, and by that, you'll bring this down here once and you'll see this here, the media output. If you don't see that, bring this down a second time, tap on the pencil icon here, this edit option here, and right where it says device and control here, you wanna make sure it says show when quick panel collapse. Make sure that's set to that, and now you should be able to see it here, okay? As you tap on that now, you're gonna see this part here. This is where you can turn on both together at the same time by selecting that circle in here. And you wanna make sure it says this here, both of them showing that it's connected. And that's how you would know if you have dual audio mode, okay? And you can go ahead and test this out with any other song just to get it out. And one way to know is when you press the volume up here, you'll notice there's two controls now with two Bluetooth icons here where you can adjust the volume for both of them. So one would be the other and the other one would be the other earphones from here. You can go ahead and test out a song if you want to. Now to avoid copyright, you'll just have to listen to it on your own here, but I'll just show you when you bring up the volume here, this is gonna be there and you can hear the sound coming out from both devices as well as it's gonna be playing here, and you'll see that it's also being played through the two wireless earbuds here. Okay, so if this guide helped you out in any way whatsoever, please do hit that like and subscribe.